put on the bench. He
So
says,
why are we reading this?
my lord, just to point out, he says some things about Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain and how benches were constituted. And why he was not on the bench. He says,
page 100 पे question
54,
relevant.
page 154.
तो page 100 पे question relevant है, जिसमें वो सवाल जनरल ज़ियाउल्लक के साथ आप कैसे ताल्लुकात थे?
जी सर,
Minute of this interview.
जी जी, उसमें वो बिल्कुल कहते हैं कि उनको जनरल जियाद निकालना भी चाहते थे, पर उनको जस्टिस सलीम
उन्होंने
ने
कहा
बचा
कि ये
लिया।
मेरे कंट्रोल में है। आखिरी लाइन देखें, जस्टिस सलीम ने ज़ियाउल्लक को यकीन दयानी करवाई कि ये मेरे कंट्रोल में रहेगा।
जी जी
तो हलीम साहब तो एक्विटल जजेस में हैं।
जी जी, एक्विटल जज थे।
लेकिन वो कंट्रोल में,
I don't want to introduce secondary evidence. प्राइमरी पे रहे ये।
लेकिन वो कंट्रोल में नहीं रहे हलीम साहब के।
जी सर,
नहीं, ये देखें, ये साफी की ओपिनियन है और ये सेकेंडरी सोर्सेज हैं। प्राइमरी सोर्स हो गए जज ऑन द बेंच।
Aslam Riaz Hussain Sahab explains, I will not read it, on page 154 why he was not included in the bench. Then page 157.
नहीं, हम ये बातें
How the benches were, your lordship was inquiring about how benches were
अब ये
manipulated.
मेमोआज में आ जाए ना, जो ये खुद कह रहे हैं, इधर कोई चीजें तो
जी सर,
बताइए।
उस पे आ जाती है। That in the memoirs, if your lordship turns to the memoirs, your lordship will find that in tab 8.
जी, page 186.
Yes, my lord. Page 183 से appeal against conviction, I put in that entire sub-chapter over here. But if your lordship turns to page 186, and this is important, my lord, about the influence on constitution of benches. And this is direct, what happened to Mr. Justice Naseem Hassan Shah himself.
ये तो बेंच की बात हो रही है।
Gee, but how he was included. Mr. Bhutto filed an appeal before the Supreme Court against the death sentence. At that time, I was still an ad hoc judge in the Supreme Court. The possibility of such an appeal coming up for hearing before me was remote. Such important matters were never placed for hearing before an ad hoc judge, and it was normally a bench of permanent judges of the Supreme Court which would hear them. This normal practice was not followed in this case. It was sometime in the beginning of April 78, while I was getting ready to attend an evening function, I was informed that Mr. Justice Mushtaq Hussain, Chief Justice of the Punjab High Court, and Mr. Sharifuddin Pirzada, Attorney General, had come to see me. I went to the guest lounge to meet them.
It's not relevant.
Yeah, this shows, my lord, your lordship's question was...
नहीं तो okay, fine. तो you can't force a judge to be on a bench. He could have recused himself.
That he was put on the bench.
No, he's making it sound that he was under compulsion to be on the bench. He could have simply recused himself.
That's true, my lord. And page 199. Lordship, what was the effect?
वो जैसे इफ्तिखार जो अहमद साहब जो जर्नलिस्ट हैं उनका इंटरव्यू है ना,
वो भी पढ़ा
डायरेक्ट बात करें
जी, उस पे आ जाते हैं। 199 सिर्फ देख लें। 199, page 199 in the same tab.
Yes.
No accused ever had